I have already built your cipher wheel for you, so you just need to fill in the blanks. So to fill in the blanks, you're filling in the capital letters of the alphabet in these little boxes. If you are going to be doing this with a friend, with a partner, you'll want to decide together. Are you going to write the letters in alphabetical order going this way, and alphabetical order going backward? Or if you're going to scramble them up, which makes it a little harder to solve this without having the exact key. If you're scrambling them up, I recommend one person completes theirs first, and then the other person just copies off of the original, because when you're doing a scramble order, it's easiest to write the letters going ABC order so you don't accidentally skip one, but fill in the boxes kind of randomly. So I might start like this: A, B, C, D. If I'm going to do, I don't want to write anything upside down, so I'd kind of spin that around, fill in my E, F, okay, so I have mine all filled in there, scrambled up letters. And again, if I was sharing this key with a friend, I would just hand them my wheel right now, and they could copy down the letters in the same order that I randomly wrote them here. The next step is to encrypt a message. So you're going to line up your letters. And this one's kind of funny. You could even have A equals A because the rest of them are still scrambled. You're going to line up your letters and just pick what your key is for this particular message. A equals what? I'm going to go with A equals M. And then to scramble to encrypt my message, I'm going to say my original message letters are on the outside. This is my plain text in lowercase. So if I wanted to write my name, I'm going to start with the letter C lowercase, but I'm going to write down the capital P. If I want my A, it's going to write down the capital M. If I have my R, I'm going to write down the capital V. M is a capital B. E is a capital L. And N is a capital N. The cool thing about this is if I send this message to a friend and all they have to know is A equals M, they can solve this message. They can only do it if they have the matching key of mine, my matching cipher wheel. But the next time I send a message to somebody, they may not know what is A going to equal, because my next message might be A equals J. And then it's going to be completely a different message. I'm going to encrypt my name completely different this time and start with a W, Y. And that's totally different. You can even send a message where every single word starts with or is written with a different key. And you might just indicate that by having some sort of message. Maybe you give your friend a message as their key that simply says, my message is written where word 1 is AM, word 2 is AY. And then you're actually just giving your friend this as your key, and they're going to get a 2-word message. And the message 1 AM, 2 AY means absolutely nothing. People might think this is a time. Could be pretty hard to solve. So you can have fun with that. Another way you can use this is just so that you don't have to rewrite your key every single time if you're doing a shift cipher like we did yesterday. So if you write these in regular alphabetical order, you don't have to change that every single time you get a new message from somebody who used a different shift than you.